Welcome, dear viewers, to an odyssey across the heart of the Balkans, a region where nature's artistry and the echoes of history intertwine. Here, every mountain peak and winding river tells a story, and every ancient stone whispers secrets of centuries past. The Balkans are a tapestry woven from the threads of diverse cultures, dramatic landscapes, and a spirit that endures through time. Today, I invite you to embark on a visual voyage through 100 of the most breathtaking locations this enchanting corner of Europe has to offer. From the sun-drenched Adriatic coastlines to the misty forests of the interior, each destination is a testament to the region's natural splendor and rich heritage. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or simply a dreamer at heart, there's something here to ignite your sense of wonder. Each destination is presented in stunning 4K clarity, allowing you to witness the vibrant hues of turquoise lakes, the ancient stonework of storied cities, and the wild majesty of untamed mountains as if you were truly there. Notice the way sunlight dances on the water, the intricate details of centuries-old bridges, and the endless horizons that stretch across rugged peaks. As you settle in, let the gentle flow of captivating scenery transport you. Imagine the soothing sound of waterfalls echoing through ancient forests, the cool mist rising from rivers at dawn, and the peaceful silence that blankets the land as the sun rises over tranquil lake shores. There is no rush here, only the invitation to relax, to breathe, and to let your senses be enveloped by the serene beauty and timeless allure of the Balkans. Picture yourself wandering along quiet forest trails, sharing laughter with friends by a crystal-clear lake, or simply soaking in the golden light of a countryside morning. This journey is not just a showcase of places, but a celebration of the spirit that infuses every valley, river, and peak. It's about the sense of adventure that calls explorers to new heights, the tranquility that soothes the soul, and the enduring connection between people and the land they call home. Rest assured, this experience is crafted with care for all audiences. Whether you're watching with family, friends, or on your own, you'll find moments of joy, discovery, and inspiration woven throughout this journey. The music you hear is sourced from YouTube Studio, ensuring an ad-friendly and harmonious atmosphere throughout. Each note is chosen to complement the visuals, enhancing your immersion without distraction. So, find a comfortable seat, perhaps a warm beverage, and prepare to immerse yourself in the wonders of the Balkans, one breathtaking scene at a time. Let your imagination roam free, and allow the magic of this extraordinary region to fill your heart with awe and inspiration. Turquoise lakes cascade through lush, vibrant forests, creating a breathtaking symphony of waterfalls and reflecting nature's artistry in every corner. An island church floats serenely, framed by the majestic Julian Alps. Ancient city walls embrace shimmering waters, echoing centuries of vibrant history. Monasteries perch atop towering rocks, defying gravity and inspiring wonder. Fjord-like waters mirror towering peaks, sheltering medieval towns below. A graceful stone arch spans emerald waters, linking past and present. Sheer cliffs plunge to turquoise depths, home to untamed beauty. Crystal-clear waters lap ancient shores, crowned by timeless churches. Panoramic views unfold where the Sava and Danube rivers converge. Colorful frescoes gleam within a tranquil haven, embraced by peaks. Rugged summits rise above untouched wilderness, inviting true adventurers forth. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable journey through the Balkans, a land where every mountain, valley, and winding road holds a secret waiting to be discovered. From the first golden rays of sunrise over the rugged peaks to the tranquil evenings spent by ancient rivers, the Balkans have revealed their soul to us in countless breathtaking moments. Each step we took together uncovered layers of history, culture, and natural beauty that make this region truly unique. Every river, every ancient stone, and every whispering forest tells a story of resilience, beauty, and wonder. We have wandered through lush valleys, explored time-worn ruins, and marveled at the reflections dancing on serene lakes at dusk. Together, We have traversed 100 of the region's most stunning locations, each one a testament to the enduring power of nature and the indomitable spirit of the people who call this land home. The Balkans are not just a destination, they are a living, breathing tapestry woven from centuries of tradition, struggle, and celebration. We've met warm-hearted locals, tasted flavors unique to this corner of the world, and witnessed the vibrant traditions that keep the spirit of the Balkans alive. The rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and customs here is a reminder of how diversity can create something truly beautiful. If this voyage has stirred your spirit and inspired a sense of wanderlust within you, I warmly invite you to subscribe for more ad-friendly, uplifting explorations of our world's hidden treasures. Your support ensures that we can continue to share these remarkable places, bringing their stories to life in a way that is accessible and enjoyable for all. Before you go, I encourage you to share your favorite Balkan destination in the comments below. Which place captured your heart, or perhaps awakened a longing to see it in person? Your stories and dreams are as much a part of this journey as the landscapes themselves. Whether you've traveled these roads before, or are dreaming of your first adventure, your voice adds to the chorus that celebrates the magic of the Balkans. Until our next journey together, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and let the spirit of discovery guide you wherever you go.